So here's how to fix video memory management blue screen error on Windows. First, you'll need to right-click this Windows Start button and then Device Manager, and then select your display adapters, and then select the graphic card you have. Right-click Update Drivers and then search automatically for drivers. Then if there is anything required to be downloaded, it will start downloading. Otherwise, you should see the same screen here. You can close this now, and if you have an NVIDIA card, you can open the NVIDIA app. Now in NVIDIA app, go to drivers section and then make sure you have the latest driver installed. You can click this button here to check for updates, and it should show up here. There is an update and you need to install it or download it. Now once it's installed, you can close this. Now you need to go to settings, update and security, and then Windows updates. Make sure you have the latest updates installed. Now you can open CMD, then type sfc /scan now, press enter, then wait for it to scan the system files, and then repair any corrupted system files. This should take a while. Once it's completed, it should look like this. Then you can close it and simply reboot your system, and this should fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.